Inspiron 7501, the new laptop from the Inspiron series from Dell. And I will be adding also the specifications, but just to give you a brief gist, it's with 1650 Ti, and it's an i7 10750H, and with the Wi-Fi 6 and 97 watt hour battery, 6 cell, and 1 TB of storage. So let's begin with the unboxing. And here there is the power card, and this is an EU card. And we also have the 97 watt hour battery. And here we have our nice lovely laptop. And this is a 15-inch laptop. Let's see how it looks. I think it's quite lovely. It's got a nice silver shine to this, and there are of course the multiple warranties and the. So now we just have the lovely laptop in front of us, and I really like the feel of the body. It's really nice, and there is a lovely clip at the end, the angle clip. So what is this? It's got a fingerprint sensor, and I would really like the body. It's very classy, and as soon as I open this, you can see that it goes up the keyboard. So I'm going to close it and then open it again. It does open with just one hand, so that's great. So as you can see, it's completely like lift up. I absolutely love the body. It's, as you can see on the top, it has this button to kind of shut the camera, which I think is very cool. But overall, I'm really happy with the way it looks. And in terms of its weight, I'm just going to hold it once again and then tell you how that feels like. It doesn't actually quite feel like a 15-inch laptop. It almost feels like it's 14-inch somehow. I don't know why. Maybe because it's broader and this is shorter, or I'm not quite sure. I would say that if I was to hold it, yeah, okay, it's a little heavy. Yeah, for sure. But I would say medium, not as much, not as heavy as my previous laptop perhaps. And this is the rear end of the laptop. Let's put it all in pouch, which I actually received from Amazon. Yeah, it doesn't quite feel that heavy when I'm picking both of them up, but I haven't tried to put this yet inside. But I think I've already purchased this, so I'm not gonna complain. Body feels more like white than it does silver. So this is actually looking like it's silver, but the upper part actually looks like it's in white, which is a bit strange, but I really love it. Like, I love how it feels, I love how it looks, and the whole monotone color that it has. It's this on the top, which is perhaps for the speaker, and there is no like mold which you see in the other laptops. It's an end-to-end. Right, so I have been using this laptop now for about a month, and it has been absolutely beautiful. Have everything. Like, if I was to run an Illustrator or an InDesign, since I'm an architect and a designer, so I need to have all of these programs with me. So if I have a Photoshop and an Illustrator and an AutoCAD running together, it's no problem at all. By putting on the task manager, to show you the utilization and the processes and how this is working. And I absolutely have been loving how this has felt, the way it works. It's just brilliant. The touch is amazing. Can you see this, that I'm just moving my fingers and it's like butter, and it's almost like giving me, and I've used a Mac before, I've used the Windows before, and I can tell you that it's quite, I mean, I really don't see the difference in the two. In fact, of course, I can use all of these programs and this is no problem at all. But the touch is amazing, the specs are amazing, the lights are amazing, and the backlight is super nice. Maybe I can show this to you. This is on a medium, this is on a high, and now it's off. So this is really nice in the night, but I don't quite use this at the moment. But yeah, this is also extremely useful if you want to use it. And it's so easy to clean the laptop as well, because I got like these wipes that you can just take out and clean your screen. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this product, and it's so classy. The look of this is exactly what I wanted, and I'm really happy with the outcome of my purchase. And if you want to go ahead with some super fast engine that looks sleek as well, you should totally go in for this laptop 100%. This laptop works amazingly well even in the outdoor because of its matte screen. So it's so easy to view this even with an outdoor daylight. Of course not harsh, but on a medium you definitely can take this laptop and sit anywhere outdoor and work if you would like. Yes, I would like to point out about the thermal throttling and the heat in this laptop when I have like all my programs on, or not all of course, but like 3 4 however or how many ever programs on. uh, it does get hot, but which laptop doesn't? I have used a Mac before, and yes, these programs equally get the Mac hot as well. It does get a little warm, but the body is just beautifully built, and it keeps the whole surface really cold or enough for you to use it, so it's not going to bother you at all. Are any questions that you would like to ask me, please put it down in the comments below and I will answer them immediately if you are looking to purchase the Dell Inspiron 7501.